Hello students, welcome back. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about concept of pH and importance of pH in everyday life. So, what is pH? pH is a numerical scale in chemistry that is used to determine whether the given substance is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Substances that have a pH level less than 7 are called acid. Examples: vinegar, tamarind, lemon, etc. are known as acidic substances in nature. Similarly, substances that have a level of more than 7 are known as basic substances in nature. Examples are baking soda, lime water, ammonia, etc. This concept was developed by Sorensen in 1909, on which the strength of acid solution as well as basic solutions could be represented by making a use of the hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. The level of extremely strong acids can be less than 0 and the level of extremely strong bases can be more than 14. pH is defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Hence, the meaning of the name pH is justified as the power of hydrogen. Here, pH scale is given to you from 0 to 6. It stands for acidic solutions. From 18 to 14, it stands for basic solutions. Here, 7 stands for neutral. Here you can see 1 pH1 value stands for stomach acid, which is highly strong acid. Similarly, pH3 stands for vinegar, strong acid. As we move down here, 11 pH is for milk of magnesia. It indicates that if a pH value 11, 12, 13, 14 indicates that they are highly basic solutions, means they have more amount of hydroxide ions. And if we move from 6 to 0, their acidity of solution increases. It means H plus ion increases. Same way, if we move from 8 to 14, basicity of solution increases, which shows us that in the given solution, hydroxide ions are more compared to hydrogen ion. The pH scale, your pH scale is given, which starts from 1 to 14. Actually, 0 is the value of highly concentrated acid. If pH is less than 7, it means it's an acidic solution. If pH is greater than 7, it means it's a basic solution. Here different colors indicate different pH values. 7 stands for neutral solutions, where amount of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion are equal. For example, distilled water, pure water, etc. Now, there are several methods to find out pH value of different solution. First method is by using indicator. So what is indicator? Indicators are substances that will change colors when they come in contact with acid or base. Indicators are safe way to help scientists determine whether substance is an acid or alkali. A universal indicator is an indicator which contains a mixture of substances that are able to give different colors corresponding to different pH values. All indicators are weak base or weak acid. The color of indicator is due to ionic part of indicator. Here table is given which shows different pH value of different solution. And as color of indicator changes, it gives us different pH value. But there are certain limitations of indicators, like solutions must be colorless, eye must be able to detect the change. Next method is use of universal indicator. By using universal indicator, we can find out value of pH. Here in the table different pH values are given and different indicators are given which shows different values. If solution is very acidic, color will be yellow for acid and for basic it will be blue. And litmus will show red color and your litmus will show blue color. Similarly, methyl orange indicator will show red color and for basic it will show yellow color. So we can say for basic you will get value 8.0. Phenolphthalein will be colorless for acidic solution and it will be red for basic solution. Next test is litmus test. Litmus test is an indicator. It changes color in acid and in alkaline solutions or in basic solutions. Different indicator show different color, like red for acid and blue for basic substance. Now, how pH is important in everyday life. First, in our digestive system. Wall of our stomach produce hydrochloric acid which kills germs present in food. This hydrochloric acid also helps in the digestion of food we eat. Digestion takes place in our stomach in acidic medium where pH value is near 1.2. But in the case of overreacting, the receptor of walls of stomach get wrong message and starts producing more acid, which is known as acidity problem. This creates problem and we feel burning sensation and uneasiness and sometimes vomiting tendency also due to higher amount of acid in our stomach. To neutralize excess acid produced by stomach, an antacid. Antacid is a medicine which creates base in our body and it neutralizes excess amount of acid which is present in our stomach. So, to neutralize this acid which is produced by our stomach, antacid milk of magnesia is taken as a medicine which is a mild base. pH change as the cause of tooth decay. Normal pH value of our mouth is about 6. This is because of saliva produced by glands present in our mouth. This means that medium of our mouth is slightly acidic because it shows pH value 6 and 6 stands for acid. And our tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate which is insoluble in water. But if acid is present in our mouth, it starts decaying. So sometimes food particles get trapped between teeth gap. After some time, bacteria present in mouth start acting upon carbohydrate, which is a type of sugar, present in our food items and produce acid. This acid decreases the pH value of mouth from 6. This acid starts decaying the enamel of tooth. After degradation of enamel, teeth becomes sensitive and bad breath starts coming out of the mouth. If decaying of tooth is not stopped timely, it is resulting in tooth loss. This action can be prevented by brushing of teeth using toothpaste because toothpaste is basic in nature and it neutralizes more acid which is produced in our mouth because of bacteria. Next, pH of soil for healthy growth of plants. Plants growth Plants grow properly and gives proper yield if the soil is neither acidic nor basic. For that, it means we need neutral soil. So this means pH of the soil should be equal to 7 for healthy growth of plants. If pH value of soil is found lower than 7, soil becomes acidic. Soil is treated with calcium oxide or chalk. After treatment, excess acid present in soil, it neutralizes and soil becomes fertile again. Similarly, if pH value is more than 7, it becomes basic. In such condition, soil can be treated with natural manure or compost of pyrite or gypsum, which neutralizes the basic nature of soil. Next, self-defense by animal through chemical warfare. Defense weapon of bee. Honeybee contains acid in their sting. Honeybee sting contains methanoic acid. When a person is stung by honeybee injects acid and pushes and leaves its sting in skin. Because of acid present in sting, victim feels pain near the stung area. Area of stung gets swollen after some time. So rubbing of baking soda. Baking soda is a basic substance, or toothpaste. In toothpaste is a basic substance, or other mild base at the stung area. So it neutralizes the effect of acid and it gives relief of the victim from pain. Thank you.